대한민국 서울에서 보내드리는 KBS 월드 라디오입니다.
This is KBS World Radio coming from Seoul, the Republic of Korea.
여기는 대한민국 서울에서 보내드리는 KBS 월드 라디오입니다. KBS World Radio, the overseas service of the Korean Broadcasting System, coming to you from Seoul, the capital of the Republic of Korea. We now begin today's English broadcast on KBS World Radio.
From Seoul, Korea, KBS World Radio News Today starts right now.
On today's broadcast, the 21st National Assembly kicks off amid a boycott by the main opposition over assigning the chiefs of parliamentary standing committees. The number of COVID-19 infections rose by an additional 39 cases, including 34 in the Seoul metropolitan area. Here, South Korea will provide face masks and test kits worth $21 million to dozens of countries to help combat the coronavirus. This is KBS World Radio News. I'm Emma Kalka.